Hey everyone, look at this quilt that I made this morning before noon. Can you believe it? And I'm not talking about get up before the crack of dawn to start making a quilt. No, I got up, I took my kids to school, and their school doesn't even start till 9, and then I stopped at the gas station, then I finally got home, and I stitched together this whole quilt before noon. Yep. Hi, this is Caroline from SewCanShe.com, and this is Studio Chat number 22. I'm so excited to share with you an idea that I had for a quilt that came out better than I even had hoped. The fabrics that I used on this quilt are the beautiful new collection from Tula Pink called Pinkerville. And Tula is not sponsoring this post at all. She probably doesn't even know who I am. But I love the fabrics and I'm so excited that the quilt turned out so well, and I'm really excited to share the idea for making it with you on my blog as soon as I can write the tutorial. Yes, I sewed this quilt before noon, and at the same time I was stopping to take pictures so that I could write up the pattern in the tutorial and share it with you. It is a modern strip quilt and it is super, super easy. Every single one of these little corners, the seams nested. That was probably part of the reason why it was so fast, because I didn't even use pins. So watch for it on my blog. Go sign up for my newsletter if you're afraid that you'll miss it, because this is coming within the next couple of weeks. And also, even sooner than that, right now is voting for our You Pick tutorial for May. And there are 3 really fun projects on there, and the one that's winning is not a tote bag. So surprise, surprise. But the one that's winning is a really cute project. So we'll see what you want me to make next. As you can tell, I'm really super busy these days, but I'm so grateful that I can spend my time creating and putting my ideas into fabric just for you, and it is really the best thing for me right now. So thank you for supporting my blog and visiting it and reading the articles and signing up for my video courses. I am just so grateful for my readers. I just can't thank you enough. Anyway, look at this new quilt I made. I'm so proud of it, and I'll talk to you later.